Dido Telecommunity Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to products are in the description. Dido is a relatively new mobile operator in the Philippines, offering competitive pricing, high-speed data, and nationwide coverage. It was designed for users who need affordable yet reliable mobile services, including fast internet for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Dido operates on a 4G and 5G network, providing speeds comparable to major competitors. Call and text services work well, with VoLTE ensuring clear voice quality. However, coverage can be inconsistent in remote areas, so check the availability in your location before switching. The SIM activation process is simple, and their app allows for easy account management, reloading, and promo activation. Dido offers budget-friendly plans, often with generous data allocations, making it ideal for heavy data users. Customer support is responsive via in-app chat and social media. A downside is that it requires a VoLTE-compatible device, which may limit some users. In real-world use, speeds are impressive in urban areas, but rural performance depends on tower availability. Compared to competitors, Dido stands out with its affordability and data offerings, but still needs to expand coverage. Overall, it's a great choice for users in well-covered areas looking for affordable, fast mobile data. If you're considering a switch, check the description for links.